In this video, we compare the built-in Squarespace palettes against a professionally customized Dozro color theme. Did you know that using the default color themes in Squarespace could actually be hurting your website's user experience and SEO? Right now, you are looking at the default bright one color theme. Notice the text colors on the announcement bar, the navigation links, and the main paragraphs. Many of these default built-in palettes have a poor selection of colors that completely fail WCAG accessibility contrast recommendations. Not only does this frustrate your visitors, but search engines actually penalize sites for poor readability. Let's look closer. See this extremely low contrast on the text links? And check out the buttons. The default theme uses the exact same pale color for primary, secondary, and tertiary buttons, giving users no visual hierarchy. As we scroll down through the scrolling marquee, the accordion block, and the shape block, everything looks washed out. Look at the quote, newsletter, and social links blocks. The colors simply don't pop. Pay special attention to this image carousel block. There is an unprofessional, heavy contrast between the section background and the card background, yet the text inside the card is almost impossible to read. Even the contact form colors are totally unoptimized for getting leads. Now let's instantly fix this. I am applying one of Dozro's professionally designed custom color themes to these exact same blocks. Look at the difference. We instantly have beautiful, highly legible colors for all headings and paragraphs, including a scroll stopper accent color used perfectly for heading 3. Every single color you see here passes strict WCAG contrast standards. Notice the stark, clear contrast between the dark background and the text links. Our primary, secondary, and tertiary buttons finally have beautiful, distinct variant colors so visitors know exactly where to click. Every element, from the accordion and shape blocks to the quote blocks, looks incredibly sophisticated. The image carousel now features a modern, premium color palette. Even the form block looks sleek and inviting. So what is the solution? You need to manually apply a high-contrast, professional color scheme to your Squarespace site. Customizing every single tweak in a theme takes about 12 hours of tedious work. But we've got you covered. You can visit Dozro.com right now to copy all the exact color codes for our custom themes completely free. The link is in the description. Don't want to do it yourself? The Dozro team is ready to perfectly configure your site's architecture for you. Thanks for watching, and here is a quick sneak peek at another beautiful color theme customized by Dozro.